Still on Metro Pacific, the infrastructure conglomerate is considering taking two of its most profitable units public. Mobile journalist Pamela Vasquez gives us the rest of the story.
Metro Pacific Investments is considering an IPO for two of its subsidiaries, Tollways and Hospitals. Tollways President Rodrigo Franco says many firms have approached them about becoming a strategic partner before they go public. But they want to wait until the Cebu-Cordova Expressway and the Cala-X become profitable first.
We think cannot be earlier than second quarter of next year, baka the year after pa. I mean, our Cebu project will be completed only in March. We need to see some earnings on that. We have Calax also due for completion next year. No? So we'll wait for that para mag-improve yung outlook of the company so that we don't get undervalued by the market.
Franco also said they'll have to charge slightly higher toll rates for the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway, which will open by March 2022.
89 pesos for Class 1. Originally, the rate approved was 85. Now it's 89 because of the slightly longer scope of the project.
Metro Pacific is also once again entertaining an IPO for its hospital business, potentially by 2023. It first tried to go public in 2019, but scrapped the idea after it got private investment from KKR Capital. MPIC Chair Manny Pangilinan says the hospital division is now actually more profitable than the tollways and water businesses.
There's a possibility of that happening in 2023. Maganda naman yung recovery ng hospital sa this year, no? Effectively, after Meralco, in revenue terms, the hospitals are now ahead of tollways and even Maynila because the revenues this year will be totaling around more than 30 billion.
But hospital COO Dr. Jeffrey Staples says they're anticipating another COVID-19 surge after the end-of-year holidays.
I would say there is light at the end of the tunnel. We anticipate that with the holidays coming up and the election season coming up, with a lot of mass gatherings and people kind of relaxing their social distancing discipline, we may see another surge or two in cases before we can actually say that the virus is behind us.
Metro Pacific reported that its 9-month income jumped 23% on year to 9.5 billion pesos. Meralco contributed the lion's share of the profits. Mobile journalist Pamela Vasquez, We Are One News.